Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we're giving daily free signals. We just enter short now and it's hit for us the first take profit. For me, I am risk free now, no matter what happened, and I came to register for you, so even you can benefit from our free daily signals. By the way, Telegram and Discord, they are now free for certain number, and after that, everyone he need to join us, he need to pay monthly fees. So benefit from that before it's too late, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, the daily candle here is finished. The market, he tried to show us here a pushing up today, but it happened here a rejection, and now it gave us here like a pin bar here. All the way enter short here in the daily. Not yet. In the daily, I told you we got here the top and the lower here of that inside bar here. Till now, as we still in the range of it, we haven't breaking above here for us to enter long. Until now, we haven't breaking down here for us to enter short. So till now, the market is just looking sideways here. There is nothing new here. Also, we're going to confirm the market is going to change from the downtrend to an uptrend if we're breaking above here. When if a candle came with power like that and to close above that level here, that's another story. But now, there is nothing yet. Me, I told you maybe there is a correction going to come. That's a part of the game. I show you everywhere yesterday and in all the videos of past. So here in the daily, we don't got nothing yet. We need to wait in. For the short, there is no price action here because I saw some people today in my Telegram, they put in their pictures. They said, you got here a flag. Where do you get that flag from? You put it like that. What about that tail here? If you put like that, where is it down? It needs to be like that. Bitcoin hasn't moved here. In the daily, me I'm talking. So we don't got any flag here in the daily. You can't just come here to those candles like that and try to connect them like that and you say you got a flag here. There is no clear flag. The flag, it needs to do like that. At least 2-3 waves, guys, to give you a flag. There is no flag here in that level here. So there is nothing yet. We need to wait more till the right time. Me personally, I'm still thinking there is more jump up or there is a correction going to come. So also we still waiting what's going to happen. I show you even our indicators. They are all of them. They are at the overbought area here in the daily. So here in the daily, there is nothing yet. Now let's go into see the coming news for today because today it's coming very, very, very special news. So you need to be focused about it, guys. So let's go into see it. The coming news, as you see it, that the news we got today, we got the GDP of UK, then we got the CPI of the Eurozone, plus we got that PCI of USA, and I've been talking about that PCI thousands of times. I told you that what the inflation, the Fed follow, not the CPI, also we follow. And that one here, it looks like how it's going to stay where it used to be before, that's my 0.4%. So there is nothing was changed, and that's why Jerome Powell in all those speech who passed is saying them deposit just being in July, then after July they are going to hike interest rate more because as you see here the PCI inflation, it doesn't show any progress. Everything still the same, that's my 0.4, so nothing was changed. If it came tomorrow like that, that's another story. That's why me, I said maybe there is a correction going to happen to the Bitcoin, and that's why also we enter short in 30 minutes. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day. Look at it here. What it's telling us today. US market today, it continued going upward. The SP 500, Dow Jones, and even the Nasdaq 100, all of them they go up. Also, we enter the 2-3 days when we enter in the SP 500, everything's still looking great, and now also we are in nice profit here in the SP 500. But that one is going to be for long term. And down here is our friend, is the VIX, the volatility measurement or the scarcity measurement. Everything still looking very great here. Also, we are below 20. That means the market is very stable and no one is scared now. So if it happen a correction, just buy and you're going to make profit. That way also we enter in the SP 500. And even in the Bitcoin, if it happen a correction, also we are going to enter long. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And the US dollar here, as you see it, it's 103. If you remember the last or the start of the week, we used to be 101. Now we are 103. For the US dollar like that, it move a lot. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. In the last video, I told you we got here a head and shoulder like that. And by the way, some big channels, they copying those things from us. It's okay, just copy it. We said the neckline, it was here. As you see it, we just came till the neckline here. And we couldn't break it. Then the market is go back up here. Now here at that level where we are, what we got there. You can make a new price action here. Look at it. What you got here. You came to details that one here, and that one here, and down here, and here. You got a very clear triangle here. Should we enter long? Should we enter short here in the 4 hours? In the 4 hours, it's looking like we are in an accumulation level. I've been talking about that thousands of times. Let me explain those things to you if you just came now. Because for people they've been with us, they know those things. But you, if you just came now, let me explain it to you. Look at it here. We've been down here in an accumulation level, then the Bitcoin it do like that. Now also we are here in an accumulation level here. Now either the Bitcoin is going to do like that, or from here is going to break above here and it's going to move upward. And even for the wake up people, they know those things here. They've been with us for some time. That a very clear wake up pattern here, as you see it. You see it or no? The fake out it happened here. Now it's need that one to fall down, to break down here and to do like that, then to come back and to break for you the last low. So that one here, it gives you a very clear wake up pattern, and that indicating there is a reverse going to come here in the 4 hours. Should we enter short? Not yet. We need to wait in the break to happen down for us to enter short. And if it's breaking above us, we are going to enter long, guys. So I think picture is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, you remember I showed you we got here a divergence. In the last video used to be here. I told you there is nothing yet till it's breaking for us the neckline and to break down here to enter to the zone where is the bears they controlling. Now what it done today, when it touched here, now it came back to the bull market or the zone where is the bulls they controlling. Should we enter long? Till now there is nothing here. And here, that's the divergence trend line also we've been talking about. Look at it here, how it's going now. We just came here, we touch it. Maybe from here it's going to fall down to drop and to give you here like another low, lower than the previous low, which is that one. Even that one it's possible. Also we put the price action. If it's breaking down here, it needs to confirm for us in the price action. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter short. So till now for swing trading, there is no clear picture. You need to wait in more, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you very well. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying here. That one here, same thing. We said it thousands of times. We said also we are in a very stronger level here. As you see it from here, that one is a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it now, you are there. Our indicator is being here at the overbought area. So technically also we need to look in for short. Should we enter short now at that level here? Not yet. It's need the price action to tell you that. The price action now you got there is that triangle you got there. If it came and breaking down here, yes, you can enter short. But if it doesn't break down here, there is no entry short. Even if it's staying sideways here for 1 year or 2 years, there is no entry short. Unless if the price action confirm that for you guys. And even if it's breaking above, also we are going to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. You smash the like button. You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, also we've been waiting here like that. Like that. It's getting broke here. You can find it even in the community tab in YouTube. When it's breaking here, also we enter short and we put the first take profit down here. Look at it, just that candle here, it's hitting for us the first take profit now. And now at that time here, people in my Telegram and my Discord, I tell them also we got here, like that, a down channel like that, and down here, over here, you got it, that's the lower of it. I told them if we break the top here, we need to close the short, because also we're making the first take profit, and even if we close it now here, also we enter from here, we're still in nice profit. But till now there is no closing the short. As you see it what the market doing here, it came it touching here the top of that channel and it's showing to us it's going to fall down to touch the lower of it. It's going to hit for us the second take profit. Everything's still looking great here. Now at that level here, should we enter long, should we enter short? For the long, always if it came and breaking above here. You see it or know how I draw it? You came to that one here, and that one here, just a downtrend like that. If we came and we break it above here, also we are going to enter short. For the short, also we just enter now. But another thing here, he tried to give you here like a cup and handle here. Not yet. The neckline it was here, down. If that one fall down and breaking down here, that's for the people they haven't entered, they can enter short, take profit, they just make it like that. And take profit is going to be lower here at that level. It's our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, as you see it, we've been here at the overbought area. We used to have here the trend line. That way also we enter short from here. Now also we are in profit. If it fall down till down here, when it touching here the oversold area, also we need to take the profit. And fair enough. And also we're updating you every time. If there is anything new happen, we're going to update you in our Telegram and in our Discord. That way me every time guys. I told you if you are a day trader, join us in Telegram and Discord. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, that's it for that video. And please guys, please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.